So we are to discuss the guest record modification, guest record printing, and name modification. So what are guest records? So guest records are files that contains necessary documents and detailed information about the guest or passengers like their profile, contact information, and preferences which serves as the record in business. So in case of changes regarding the booking upon the guest request, some alterations can be made depending on the situation. Modification can be done given the following instances. So first, changes can only be made if the guest has not checked in yet. Next, to modify a critical option in Complete Access Plus Hotels, Amadeus will try to book a new segment. If the new request is accepted, the old segment will be cancelled, and if the request is rejected, the old segment is retained. So for standard access hotels, any changes causes the old segment to be cancelled and the new ones to be booked. So in hotel segment information modification, to modify a hotel segment information, you can enter the segment number followed by a slash, then the relevant option and information. Modification of the existing number of rooms in a standard access booking can't be done. You must cancel and rebook the hotel segment. So in deleting a piece of information, enter the option identifier without the updated text.
Modifying confidential remarks. The only people allowed to modify remarks is the office who created it or the office given the right access when the remarks was created. Modifying corporate remarks, only offices with the same corporate code and qualifier as the office that created the remark can modify it. Text and passenger association can be modified. Before modifying the passenger's name, check the airline name change policy is essential as penalties may occur for any misuse. A website and a phone number are both provided by airline for this purpose. For name modification graphic type, number 1 is in the passenger and contact details section of the booking file, click on Add or Update. Next is modify the passenger's information as needed. Lastly, click on Save. Name update. When you update a name, all passenger associated elements are retained. If the name update causes the name to be recognized alphabetically, passenger association is automatically modified to reflect this change. Name change. You can completely replace an existing name with a new one, or add, change, or delete a passenger type or an identification code in a name element. When you can change a name, the itinerary, the fare elements, and some seat associations are retained, but all other elements that were associated with the original name are removed. That's all. Thank you.